Welcome back again to my page. It has been long, since 2 months now. I've not posted any updates, I've not posted anything like video or anything. Okay, now I want to wish you guys Merry Christmas to every soul that is celebrating this Christmas today. Okay, it's not by force, you get. So I have something to discuss. Have something to discuss, especially for the men, for the guys. Okay, you are living in Lagos, living in Aba, living in any city or Owerri, like any city you are, and you have girlfriend, you have female friends, and today is a special day to many people. Okay, because me, it's not a okay. Let me say it's a special day, sha. It's a special day to many of us. Okay, and today is a day that you can take your girlfriend out, buy special things that you have not bought for her before, do many special things, buy gifts, show love, etc. So one thing I want to remember to you guys is this: remember that you have a parents at home. If you are sending your guys, your girls 100k, 10k, 50k, 5,000 naira, remember to send something to your mom. If you don't have mom, you have sisters, you have father. Okay, some of us we don't used to have that thought. Like, we don't used to think, I've spent so amount of money to our girls, to my girlfriend. Have I given my mother, who gave birth to me, have I given her something? I mean, something that can give her joy. Okay, so my advice this morning is this: today is 25th December. Next week is 1st January. So any budget you're having for your girlfriend, remember your parents at home, remember your siblings, because at the end of the whole day you can say, omo, I spent a lot of money today. Like, I spent like 50k for my girl. How much did I spend for my family? How much? Use your sense. So I did not say, may you leave your girlfriend though, now you sabi o, but when you are putting your girlfriend in your budget, remember your parents and your family members. Share this video to everybody.